Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create an app using Vercel. Vercel makes it easy to build, deploy, and host applications quickly. We will guide you through how to create and deploy your first app. Let's get started. On your Vercel dashboard, you can create a project or an app by clicking Add New in the upper right corner. Click Project. From here, you can continue working on an existing project, or you can create and clone a new template. You just have to choose. If you already have a GitLab or GitLab Orbit bucket set up, you can upload it here to finish the setup. If not, just click Template. For this example, we will click on a template. We will look at 3 options available here. We will choose which one will be the main connection among these 3. To connect, simply apply a plan to any of the 3 options and click it. You will then need to verify your account. Just verify your email. You can also continue with Google if you prefer. You can verify your email and add your credit card at the end. Once your project is created, go back and head to the deployment section to deploy your project. Or you can deploy it right away after creating the project. And that's it. We have successfully created and deployed an app on Vercel. Your project is now live and ready to be accessed online.